Saan naabot ang 20 pesos mo? Alam mo bang pwede kang maging shareholder sa malaking kumpanya sa halagang 20 pesos? Ating alamin kung paano nagtrabaho ang ating pera. Aral muna bago invest. Most people spend their entire life to work for money, but not willing to spend 1 hour to study how money work for them. Gusto mo mag-invest, di ba? Kaya dapat ating alamin at matutunan ang mga ito. Kaya naman ngayon pa lang, binabati na kita sa bibigay mo ng oras na matuto. Ngayon pa lang, malaking hakbang na ito para maging wealthy investor. You are now one step away to be an investor. Discover Mutual Fund Investing. Sa mutual fund, binibigyan ng opportunity ang mga nais maging investor as low as 1,000 pesos. Sa mutual fund kasi, pinagsasama-sama ang mga pera ng mga investors para makabili ng iba't ibang shares or blue chip companies. Yung 1,000 mo bukod sa Jollibee, naka-invest din siya sa mga top business per industry. Tulad ng PLDT, Meralco, Ayala, SM at iba pa. Kung nais mong maging investor, ngunit walang time, knowledge, enough money, and risk tolerance, ito ang isa sa mga angkop na investment para sa mga gustong magsimula sa maliit na kapital at hanggang lumago ang iyong pera sa hinaharap. Ating balikan ang nakasanayan natin na pinaglalagyan o pinag-iimpokan ng ating pera. Isa na dito ang alkansya. Ating inhalin tulad kapag ilagay natin ang ating pera sa alkansya at sa mutual funds. Una, pareho silang pwedeng lagyan kahit kailan. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka required maglagay kung kailan mo lang gusto. Pangalawa, sa alkansya, walang interest or hindi tumutubo yung pera mo. Sa mutual funds, ang average earning nito ay 12% per year sa equity fund. Pangatlo, sa alkansya, madaling makuha ang pera mo. Samantalang sa mutual funds, meron itong 7 to 15 days na processing para sa withdrawal or redemption na ginawa mo. Ang alkansya ay para sa short term or maikling mga plano. Pagdating sa mutual funds, bagay or angkop ito sa ating long-term goals. Ang recommendation nga natin ay 5 years and more or pataas. Ang alkansya ay para sa emergency. Sa panahon, nakalagay ang pera mo dito, kapag nagka-emergency ka, ito ang pwede mong gamitin. Sa mutual funds, para ito sa future goals mo. Kasi malaki ang interest or tinutupunit na mabibigay nito sa hinaharap. Ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa nakasanayan natin. Isa pa sa mga traditional na konsepto ng pagtitipid ay paglagay sa savings account ng bangko mo. Tingnan natin ang comparison sa ating savings account at sa mutual funds. Una, pareho silang pwedeng lagyan kahit kailan. Ibig sabihin, di ka required na maglagay kung kailan mo lang gusto or depende sa goals mo. Second, depositor ang tawag sa'yo kasi naghuhulog ka ng pera sa savings account. Samantalang shareholder naman ang tawag sa'yo sa mutual fund dahil part owner or investor ka ng company. Pangatlo, sa savings account, maliit na interest ang pinibigay ng bangko, less than 2%. Habang sa mutual funds, ang average earning niya ay 12% per year, sa equity fund, depende sa market. Pang-apat, sa savings, madali nating makukuha ang pera. For example, sa ATM, pwede ka na mag-withdraw. Samantalang sa mutual funds, may 7 to 15 days para mag-process ng withdrawal or redemption na ginawa natin. Pang-lima, para sa short-term or maikling goal ang nilalagay natin sa ating savings account. Ang mutual fund naman ay angkop sa ating long-term goals. Kaya ang recommendation or recommended number of years sa mutual fund ay 5 taon pataas. Pang-anim, ang savings ay para sa emergency. Sa panahon na kailangan mo ang pera dito, pwede mo itong kunin sa di inaasahang pangyayari. Sa mutual funds, ito naman ay para sa future goals mo Kasi mas malaki ang interest or tubo na mabibigay nito sa hinaharap. Pang-pito, may 20% withholding tax ang interest mo sa savings account. Sa mutual funds, wala itong 20% withholding tax kapag nag-withdraw ka ng pera mo. Ikaw ba ay familiar sa paluwagan? Mahilig ka din bang sumali dito? Ang mutual fund ay may pagkakahawig at pagkakaiba din sa paluwagan. Una, pareho silang pinagsasama ang mga pera ng kasali or members nito. Pangalawa, sa paluwagan, dapat maghulog ka tuwing specific period ng bayaran. Pagdating naman sa mutual fund, kahit kailan pwede kang maghulog, depende sa goals mo. Pangatlo, sa paluwagan, walang interest na kinikita kapag sweldo mo. Samantalang sa mutual funds, ang average earning nga ay 12% per year sa equity fund. Pang-apat, kung sa paluwagan makukuha mo ang iyong sweldo sa tinakdang araw, sa mutual funds, kapag kukunin ng investment, meron siyang 7 to 15 business days kapag nag-withdraw or redeem ka. Pang-lima, sa paluwagan, walang kasulatan ito, kaya walang habol sakaling di magbayad ang mga members. Sa mutual funds, meron siyang agreement or contract, kaya hindi matatakbo ang pera nating mga investors. Paano ba ang nangyayari sa mutual funds? Tayong mga investors, kapag nag-invest tayo the same day, nagpupunta tayo sa mutual fund company para mag-invest, ang gagawin ng mutual fund company ay pagsama-samahin ang pera nating mga investors. May fund manager na siyang mag-iisip at bibili ng mga share or stocks tulad ng SM, Jollibee, Meralco at iba pang matatag na companies. Halimbawa, kumita ng 12% at nag-withdraw or nag-redeem ang mga investors ng the same day. For example, sila ay kumita ng 12% sa kanilang pera na ina-invest. Pare-pareho silang kikita ng 12%. Kung si investor A ay nag-invest ng 5,000, meron siyang tinubo na 12% sa 5,000 niya. Ganun din si investor B. Kapag siya naman ay nag-invest ng 100,000, kumita ng additional 12% ang investment niya sa 100,000. Kung si investor C naman ay nag-invest ng 1,000, ibig sabihin, tumubo ng 12% ang 1,000 pesos niya. Ganun lang kasimple sa mutual funds. Higit sa 10 stocks or shares na ka-invest ang inyong pera sa mutual funds. Ito ay nilalagay sa business ng iba't ibang industry, tulad ng media, real estate, holding company, banks, food and beverages, telecommunication, real estate at marami pang iba. Kaya naman nakasasabay ang ating pera sa pag-unlad ng negosyo bilang shareholder at nababawasan din ang risk or pagkalugi dahil sa iba't ibang business na nakalagay ang pera natin. Ito ang isa sa statement of account ng isang IMG Soldivo Fund investor. Bilang IMG member, meron kang access sa statement of account sa IMG portal mo. Amount of investment, ito yung amount of halaga ng iyong in-invest. Date of investment, ito naman yung araw kung kailan na-book ang iyong investment. NAV, ito naman ang net asset value per share o presyo ng shares. Shares, ito naman ang total shares o yung total number of shares nung bumili ka sa mutual funds. Example, yung 1,000, dinivide siya sa 0.5907 NAV o yung price ng share, kaya nagkaroon siya ng 1,692 shares. Uulitin natin, amount of investment, kung magkano ang in-invest, date of investment, kung kailan nag-invest, NAV, ito ang presyo ng share, shares, ito naman yung total shares na nabili. So, mapapansin natin na kumita sa current value na 1,199.46 centavos ang ating investment. So, dati, noong May 12, 2020, nagkaroon tayo ng 1,692 shares. Computation, yung binili niya, dati na share ay may price na 0.5907. Ngayon, November 11, 2020, naging 0.7089 centavos na ang presyo ng shares. Kaya naman, ang kanyang current value ay 1,999.46. Tumubo na ang investment niya noong May 20. 6 months lang ay tumubo na ito ng 19.95% o 199.46 pesos. Dati kasi ang price per share ay 0.5907 centavos lang. Tapos naging 0.7089 centavos na siya noong November 11, 2020. Ibig sabihin, tumaas yung presyo ng kanyang shares, kaya mas tumaas na yung value ng kanyang investment. Isa sa mga ine-enjoy na exclusive benefit naming IMG member ay ang IMG Soldivo Fund. Ito ay special equity mutual fund na naka-invest sa Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. Mas convenient ito at less documents needed para maging mutual fund investors. Yung mga nagmamanage ng fund ay matagal na ang experience sa stock market trading and investing, maging ang board of directors nito. They are young, dynamic, and competent. At dahil below 1 pesos pa ang price per share, wala nang ito ay magsimula, mas madami ang shares na nabibili mo at mas malaki din ang potential nito na tumubo sa long term. Disclaimer, IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Rampberg Financials. Ito yung IMG Soldivo Fund. Naka-invest siya sa Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. Isa itong equity mutual fund, meaning majority ng fund ay naka-invest sa stock market or sa shares. Makikita mo sa top 10 holdings ang mga binili na shares ng fund manager. Di lamang sa Jollibee, kundi sa 10 stocks at higit pa. Kung isipin natin, yung 1,000 mo naka-invest din kay SM, Ayala, BDO, 7-Eleven at maraming pang iba. Nakaka-ride on ng pera mo sa mga big-time investors or mga wealthy or rich people.
The International Marketing Group, a global financial education enterprise, strategically partnered with the world's leading providers of financial products and services, introduces its top benefits offered exclusively to its growing list of members. Free exclusive financial education through the financial ebook, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Free exclusive financial e-workbook, The Financial Foundation Educational Program. Make money work for you through financial e-workshops. Increase your cash flow and debt management. Learn to build a strong financial foundation, proper protection. Know how to build your wealth and gather assets. Get to know your plans for retirement and wealth preservation, and learn to build your business in the financial industry. Free financial checkup to diagnose your financial health. Exclusive course fee discount for the Associate Financial Planner Certification Program in partnership with Registered Financial Planner. Reap tons of free gifts from IMG's partner companies. Up to 300,000 pesos of personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation. Exclusive access to Fidelity Life, a mutual benefit association exclusive for members with 50,000 life insurance coverage and 24/7 memorial concierge services. Exclusive free gifts with Vision Care, now more accessible to all members anywhere in the world. Get your free IMG and Kaiser frames through the IMG portal. Free unlimited consultation and discounted medical services for members and their immediate family members through IMG's exclusive partnership with Kaiser Medical Center. Become an automatic mutual fund investor through the IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund in partnership with Rampberg Financials. Get exclusive access to IMG's partner industries. Exclusive access to the best long-term, short-term, and senior care services from Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. Access to the multiple option super term, life insurance products, income replacement assurance, and Everest Memorial Solution designed by the country's top insurance provider, Manila Bankers Life. Free investment seminars. Invest in mutual funds at 0% entry fees exclusively to IMG members. Access to stocks online trading platform, MyTrade. Access to special rates from Palawan Pawn Shop. Increase your savings with these exclusive discounts. Save your money on your car, fire, travel, personal accident insurances through Vault Assurance and IMG brand. Exclusive member savings on real estate purchases. Special discounts on memorial lots and interment packages. Exclusive member discounts on special courses to keep you abreast of the evolving technology and ever-changing industry. Convenience and peace of mind with our 24/7 Memorial Concierge Service, providing assistance to help the family arrange the best but most reasonable funeral for their loved one. Protect your assets by creating your own corporation through Asset Preservation Service. Combine huge savings and personalized assistance to enjoy a hassle-free car purchase experience with our exclusive IMG Auto program. Be in the financial industry. Become debt-free, help families achieve financial success, and get the income you want from your own business in the elite financial industry. Experience the world's wonders on your vacations, cruises, and conventions through IMG's Travel Rewards program. Qualify for the exclusive and world-class IMG Recognition Awards. Free HMO coverage for marketing directors, senior marketing directors, and executives. Get the member support you need. The most powerful members portal available anytime, anywhere. Domini2, the best digital marketing platform for IMG members. Know the latest IMG updates, news, runs, and reminders through the exclusive newsletters and emails. Nura Cash e-wallet facility for IMG international transactions. It allows members to conveniently receive commissions and IMG payments, transfer funds, pay bills through the kiosk, and request check for pickup at IMG office. It's accessible anytime, anywhere. International members exclusive benefits. Exclusive money platform. Exclusive events. Exclusive runs and contests. Worldwide protection for international members. Accidental death benefit worth 500,000 pesos. Burial benefit worth 100,000 pesos. Accidental medical reimbursement benefit worth 100,000 pesos. Benefit that protects you from acts of terrorism worth 600,000 pesos. Benefit that protects you from unprovoked murder and assault worth 600,000 pesos. Accidental disablement benefit worth 500,000 pesos with additional feature of repatriation service. Accidental disablement benefit worth 500,000 pesos. The possibilities awaits you here in IMG.
Maaari mong simulan ang investment goals mo through IMG Soldibo Fund. Di mo na rin kailangan mag-submit ng original documents, lalo na sa mga nasa abroad. Di mo na rin kailangan ng TIN number para mag-invest basta legal age ka lang. Makakabili ka ng shares sa dami ng paraan to add investments at may quick access sa statement of account or current value ng iyong investment dahil sa IMG portal. Meron ka pang matatanggap na market update at continuous learning as IMG member. Lahat ng bagong member simula January 1 ay automatic na naging IMG Soldibo Fund investor. Marami pang benefits sa IMG Preferred Member na pwede mong tuklasin or discover bukod sa mutual funds. At lahat ng ito ay exclusive as IMG members. Itanong mo lang sa person na nag-invite sa'yo regarding this benefit.
In terms of investment and savings, the most important ally would be time. So in investment, savings, the most important thing is time. Because a lot of small money eventually become big. But no matter how big the money is, if you don't have the time, it will never grow.
If you let time pass by without saving money, then you will lose not only the money itself, but the future of what money can bring to you.
The longer the time you need, the less money you need to invest to reach your financial goals. But the shorter the time you have, then the more money you need to invest to reach your financial goals.
Bilang new IMG member, entitled ka sa 1,000 initial investment sa iyong IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. You can also create a sub-account under portfolio. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka mag-invest separately sa bawat financial goals mo. Whether pang retirement, vacation, or college education ng anak mo. Another good thing being an IMG member is you can top up as low as 20 pesos on your IMG Soldivo funds. Pwede ka mag-add sa halagang 20 pesos or as low as 20 pesos sa iyong mga investment goals. Disclaimer, IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Rockbird Financials. Start your IMG Soldivo program, ask the person who invited you, and start your investment journey with IMG while maximizing other preferred benefits.